Hi everyone! Today we are looking at subtraction and we're going to learn how to take away by splitting or partitioning a number into tens and ones. Our star words for today are tens, ones, how many, subtract, count back, number sentence and difference. So let's see how many of those words we can use throughout our lesson. Let's start with a power up to warm up those brains. Today's power up is asking, work out one more and one less than 18. And you can see here you've got a number line to help you. The questions you want to answer are 18 plus 1 equals what? 1 more than 18 is what? 18 take away 1 is what? And 1 less than 18 is what? So have a think about which way on the number line you're going to need to jump to help you answer these questions. Pause the video here and have a go. Have you done that? Amazing. Let's go through the answers together. So our first one was asking us 18 plus 1 equals what? Now, if we're plussing or adding, do we need to move forwards or backwards on the number line? That's right, we need to move forwards. So let's see if we can find 18 on our number line. There it is. So I need to do one jump forwards. You ready? 1. What number has it landed on? Amazing, it's landed on 19. So 18 plus 1 is 19. Now let's look at the next one. It says 1 more than 18 is what? Now if we've already found out that 18 plus 1 equals 19, what is 1 more than 18? Fantastic, it's also 19. 1 more is another way of saying plus 1. Right, let's look at our next question. This one said 18 take away 1 equals what? What way are we going to have to jump on the number line now? Fantastic, we're going to have to go backwards because we're taking away. That means the number will get smaller. Let's find 18 again. There it is. Now let's jump back 1. Are you ready? Oh, let's find our mouse again. There he is. Let's go. 1. Brilliant. What number has it landed on? Fantastic, it's landed on the number 17. Right, let's look at that last question. 1 less than 18 is... Oh, so if we know that 18 take away 1 is 17, what is 1 less than 18? Amazing, it is 17. Saying 1 less is another way of saying take away 1, so the answer is the same. Okay, let's discover today's learning. Our first question says, 13 penguins dive into the sea. How many penguins are left on the ice? Now, the first thing we're going to need to do is find out how many penguins have started on the ice. Do you think you could pause the video and count them to see how many there are? I'll wait here. Have you done that? Amazing. How many penguins are on the ice? Well done, you're right, there are 15 penguins on the ice. And looking at my question, I know 13 of them are going to dive into the sea. Let's have a little think. If penguins are diving into the sea, does that mean we're going to have more penguins or less penguins? Amazing, we're going to have less. And as we were speaking about earlier, if we have less, that means we are going to take away. So let's start by writing a number sentence for our question. We know we're starting with 15 and 13 are going to go. Can you tell me what number sentence we could write for this? Brilliant. 15 take away 13 equals something. Now, there's lots of ways we could find this answer, but today we're going to use objects to represent the penguins in our picture, and we're going to use some blocks. Now, I need to get 15 blocks for my 15 penguins. I know that 15 can be split into a group of 10 and 5 ones. So that is what I'm going to get first of all. Are you ready? Here we go, there is my group of 10, and if I count on with my 5 ones, I'll get 15. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Those are to represent my 15 penguins. But my question is asking me to take away 13. Now, if I take 13 away all at once, counting as I go, it will take me such a long time. And I'm going to teach you a quicker way of doing this. What you can do is partition 13. If you remember, partition means to split one number into 2 other numbers, like this. So I'm going to put 13 in my part whole model. Now, to partition it, the best way to do this is to think about what we know about 13. 13 is bigger than 10, so it can be split into a group of 10 and 3 ones. Now that I know this, it's going to make it easier to take 13 away. I can start by taking away all of my 10, and I've already grouped 15 into 10s and 1s. So it's going to be really easy to move my group of 10 to the side to show that I've taken it away. Are you ready? We're going to do that now. Let's take away all of those 10. There it goes. I've moved them away so that I know they are no longer there, and I will no longer count them. So now I've taken away the group of 10, but my question wasn't asking me to take away 10, it was asking me to take away 13. Let's look at our part whole model to see what we have to take away next. We've taken away the 10, now we need to take away 3. So, are you ready? I need to move 3 more blocks away. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! I took away a group of 10 and then 3 ones. So I've now taken away 13. Can you tell me what I need to do to find the answer? Amazing. I need to count what is left. Now remember, when we're counting what's left, we're not counting these ones over here because we took them away. They are no longer part of our group. We are counting what is remaining, which is here. Can you see how many is remaining? Amazing. We have got 1, 2 left. So the answer is 2. Brilliant job. Let's do another one. Okay, our next question is saying there are 18 fish. A penguin eats 12 fish. How many fish are left? Oh, so we know we've got 18 and a penguin's going to eat 12. So we are going to be adding or taking away. Amazing. If a penguin's going to eat 12 fish, that means there'll be less. So we are taking away. Can you pause the video and tell the person you're with the number sentence we could write with this information? Have you done that? Superstar. Let's check. Well done. We've got 18 take away 12 equals. Now, this is quite difficult, so again, we'll use objects to help us. I'll start by getting 18 objects to represent the 18 fish. Can you tell me, what could I split 18 into to make it easier? Fantastic. I could split 18 into a group of 10 and 8 ones. So I'm going to do that now. There we go, there's my group of 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got a group of 10 and 8 ones. Now, looking at my question, I now need to take away 12, but that would take me such a long time to do. Do you have an idea what I could do to help me? Fantastic. I could partition 12 into a group of 10 and 1s. So you ready? There's my 12 in my part whole model, and I can split it into that group of 10 and 2 1s. That's going to make it much easier to take away, and it will be so much quicker. Let's start by taking away my group of 10. can you point on the screen to the group of 10 that I could take away? Fantastic. I have my group of 10 here. So all of them can be pushed away because all of them are going to go. Are you ready? Let's do that. There you go. There goes my group of 10. Now, what do I need to do next? Fantastic. Looking at my part-whole model, I've taken away my group of 10. Now I need to take away those remaining 2 to make sure I've taken away 12 altogether. So where do I need to take my 2 from? Do I need to take it from this group of 10, or do I need to take it from what is remaining over here, my 1s? Super. I need to take it from what is remaining over here, my 1s, because we've already taken away that group of 10. So you ready? Let's count those 2 1s. 1, 2. There they go. We've now taken away a group of 10 and 2 1s. What can I do to find the answer then? Super. I can count what is left. Now remember, we're not counting these ones over here because we took them away. We are counting what is remaining. You ready? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. So what is the answer? Brilliant. The answer is 6. There we go. Okay, let's look at our next question. Our next question is very simple. It just says, work out 19 take away 14. Now I'm going to write that out again just so I can see it a little bit better. There we go. Can you tell me what is the first thing that I need to do? Amazing. I need to start by getting 19 blocks. So can you tell me what could I split 19 into to make this easier? Well done. I can split it into a group of 10 and 9 1s. So you ready to do that with me? There's my group of 10, and then I need my 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Now, what do I need to do next? Do I need to get 14 blocks and put them next to that? No, well done. That would be adding, and we are taking away today. So I now need to take away 14. Now 14 is that very, very big number, and I want to make this easier. So we're going to partition 14. I'll put that in my part-whole model. Can you tell me what I could partition 14 into? Well done. I could partition 14 into a group of 10 and 4 1s. That way it will make it so much easier to take away. So there we go. Got my group of 10 and 4 1s. Now I can see that I can take away this whole group of 10 here because we've split 14 into 10 and 4. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'll take away that whole group of 10. There it goes. What do I need to do now? Looking at my part-whole model, I've taken away the 10. Now what? Amazing. Now I need to take away 4. Are you ready to count with me? Let's take away those final 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. I've now taken away 14. What do I need to do to find the answer? Brilliant. I need to count what is left. Now remember, we're not counting these over here. We have to count what is left over here. You ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 left. So what is our answer? Super. Our answer is 5. Your task for today is to use objects from around your home to find the answers to the questions below. We're going to make sure we partition the number we're taking away into a group of 10s and 1s first, as this will be easier to find the answer. If you have a look, I've done the first one for you. It was 19 take away 13. Now, I started by counting out 19 objects, then I partitioned that, or I grouped them into tens and ones. Next, I knew that 13 could be split into 10 and 3, and I took away my big group of 10 there. After that, I took away 3 ones and counted to see that there were 6 left. Then I wrote the answer next to the question. So I want to see if you can have a go with objects around your home to do the same. Your challenge for today is to find out what is 18 take away 15. You need to see if Danny and Tasmin get the same answer and if they're both correct. Danny has subtracted 10 and then he took away 5. Tasmin did it a bit differently. She subtracted 5 first and then took away 10. Have a go if you could do that using the objects in your house and see if you get the same answer both times or if you get a different answer. Don't forget to send pictures to your teacher of your incredible work. Well done for your incredible work subtracting tens and ones today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!